morning, children. How are you? See, now I am starting today's class. Children, in page number 75, see this picture. This is complete village atmosphere. Rainbow. This is rainy season. Raindrops are dropping. See, clouds, palm trees, children, houses. See, children. In that rain, the children are playing. See, 5 are there, na? And singing one song. Children, look this picture carefully. Did you see rainbow? See, children, this is rainbow. Clouds, palm trees, houses, children. This is your 15th lesson. Lesson number 15. Pillalam. Pillalam means children. Children, in this lesson, they gave La Matra. La Matra. See, already I explained when we will use this La Matra. La Matra कब यूज़ करते, कैसे यूज़ करते, already you learn in previous classes. Once again, they gave this Lavattu. I will write Lavattu words. Children, look here. I wrote Lavattu words. Allam, Balli, Jallu, Chelli, Malle, Hallu. See, these all are Dvitvakshara padalu. See, Dvitvakshara padalu. Dvitvakshara means oka hallu ki ade hallu. See, this is La hallu. This is La Matra. Here also, Li, Balli, Jallu, Chelli, Malle, Hallu. See, these two different hallu, different matra. These two different hallulu. This is Samyuktaksharam. These all words Dvitvakshara padalu. These two Samyuktakshara padalu. See here, two different hallulu is there. In this letter, two different hallulu is there. Chetlu, gatlu. Chetlu, gatlu. More so many words in your reader. When I will explain, I will write on board. See here, we should say this poem. Children, look, see. After looking this picture, what happened you have? See, you should say your feeling. This is very pleasant picture, na? In rainy season, these all are playing and singing, walking on roads. See, children. Children, now I will read this poem in page number 75. Please listen, children. You should read with me. Pillalam mem pillalam. Take pencil also. Children, take pencil. I will write. I will underline this words. You should write meanings, these words. Did you take, children, pencil? Take pencil. Now you should see You should say with me. పిల్లలం మేం పిల్లలం తొలకరి జల్లులం పిల్లలం మేం పిల్లలం రంగుల హరివిల్లులం పిల్లలం మేం పిల్లలం చల్లని జాబిల్లులం పిల్లలం మేం పిల్లలం విరిసిన మరుమల్లెలం. See, how is this poem? Pillalam. See, this poet described children in this poem. He compared with raindrops, rainbow, moon. Mallalam means mogra flowers, jasmine flowers. See, in this poem, poet compared with this. Children, see, tolakari jallulam, pillalam mem pillalam. We are rain drops. They said, we are raindrops. Once again, they say, pillalam mem pillalam. Rangula harvillam, colorful rainbows. Pillalam mem pillalam. Challani jabillulam. Jabilli means moon, cool moons. Pillalam mem pillalam. Virisina marumallalam. Virisina marumallalam. Children, see page number 75. Say with me. Once again, I am reading this poem. See children, read this poem and send voice messages. Send voice messages. Every lesson you are sending voice messages. Once again, you should send this lesson also. Pillalam mem pillalam. Tolakari jallulam. Pillalam mem pillalam. Rangula harivillulam. Pillalam mem pillalam. Challani jabillulam. Pillalam mem pillalam. Virisina marumallalam. See children, this poem, in this all lavattu words they gave. Lavattu, pillalam, jallulam, harivillulam, pillalam, pillalam, challani jabillulam. In every word have la matra. Lavattu, marumallalam. Lavattu is there. Now we should go next bit. Children, here I wrote one more bit. See, అక్షరాలలోని తేడాను గుర్తించండి. తేడా means difference. You should observe this difference. See, in this first word, I did not write vattu. Plain la I wrote here. But here, I wrote vattu word. Here also same like that. Uli, talli. Kala, kalla. Uli, talli. See children, kala means dream. Kalla means abaddam. Abaddam ante telling lies. Uli means hammer. Talli means talli, mother. Talli means mother. See, plain la have different meaning. Vattu la have different meaning. Kala, kalla. Kala, kalla. Uli, talli. Mother, hammer, lies, dream. See, if you will give vattu, that is different meaning. If you did not give vattu, that is different word, different meaning. See children, see, today I am completing this lesson. Thank you. Please send voice messages. Don't forget, Read this poem more times. Children, thank you.